Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create a multi-page Canva website. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. So how do we create a multi-page Canva website? Well, in this case, it's actually pretty easy. So what we need to do first is we need to visit the official website for Canva. So go to canva.com, log in into your account, and we need to search for the template that we want to use, or just basically create a website. In this case, at the very center here, you should have the search bar. So just type in website and search for templates that we could use for our website. In this case, there are going to be a lot of templates that you could use here because Canva, they actually offers a lot of templates that you can use, so you could already start using them. In this case, let's go ahead and search for a template that we could use. So maybe I want to use one of the already existing templates here. So let's just look for a bit here. So for example, I want to use this template here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, let's go and click on customize this template, and it should open up the editor for this specific page. Now currently, as you can see, there are going to be different navigations or different text that you see here at the top of my screen. They have bio, portfolio, podcast, and blog. Now since we want to add other pages, what we need to do is we just need to click on the add page option here, and we could go ahead and start adding our content. Now maybe I want to add something about my portfolio. So let's go ahead and go to our uploads here and add the photos for our portfolio. In this case, let's go ahead and drag it in here and drag it in here as well. Now, once you've done that, you could go ahead and start customizing it. But in this case, once you're finished customizing it, you could just go back to the very top, go to the section that you want to link it. Now, in this case, right click on that text, choose the option that says link. And from here, what you need to do is you need to look for that specific page. So we have page 2, which is actually untitled. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, click on done. And once you've done that, we are now ready to publish our website. Now, if you want to do this for all the links that you see here, like bio, podcast, and blog, you can go ahead and do that, or even change the text here for a bit if you want to. In this case, let's go and click on publish website at the top right. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option that says with navigation. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on the continue button at the very bottom of your screen and choose the page URL. So maybe I want to say it is going to be my portfolio. And once we've done that, so let's go ahead and click on the publish at the bottom of our screen. And from here, it's going to start preparing our design or our website to be published. Now, once it's actually published, you should be able to see the view website option here. And in the view website option, as you can see, we have our website here. But the great thing about this website that we have right now, so instead of just users just scrolling manually to the specific section that you want to view, they could just click on that specific navigation. As you can see, we were able to actually go to that specific section once we click on it, since we actually linked that to that specific page. Now in this case, currently Canva can only support one big view of your website here. So if you're wondering if they support a different page, like for example the URL itself would change, so currently Canva does not support that, and it will be hard for us. If you want to have those functionalities, then you might need to look for other platforms if you want that. But if you just want a simple website that is easy to build, well, this case is about it. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.